Good morning, fellow traders. I believe by the grace of God, we are doing well. Yes, we have to credit God for what He has done for us. This morning, I just want us to um, have a look at time frames, because that is where that is what is going to direct our analysis. Once you get a concept of time frames, you'll be able to at least analyze the market well. I've already explained this in my first video about the intro to TradingView. In fact, I will it will be great for, as a beginner, it will be great for you to just stick to the TradingView for your analysis. Instead of registering with the broker now, don't do that. Just register with TradingView and use the TradingView platform. If you're not registered yet, just go through my video and make sure you watch it thoroughly. So as I explained earlier in that video, I'll just take the opportunity and explain again. The time frame actually represents the stage at which you are, the particular time period, you understand, or the range. Yeah, by considering seconds, hours, minutes. So the time frame is here. It is always here. Yeah, you can, when I click on this, yeah, I can just add additional ones. You can see that here I don't have 1 minute. So when I click, I start it, add to favorites. It will just come. Yeah, it's there. I have 45 minutes if I want. It's not part of my list here. If I want it, I will just start it and it will come. You can see that we have the 1 minute added. And if I want to view this particular chart, I'm talking about New Zealand. Let me click here. Okay, this one is the pound USD, the New Zealand USD. If I want to view this chart, looking at how the chart has been playing from ages, yes, I have to do is to just click on the month. So with this, I'm trying to zoom out on the pane. So with this, each of these candles represent 1 month. So at least it's giving me a thorough idea, a detailed idea of what has been happening. It's like for the past maybe 2 years or 3 years. If I click on this, you see that the date is July 14th. Yeah, July 14th. That is a particular month, 2015. So this from July 14th as at 2015, 2014. This zone will be around 2014. So from that time to this one, the current one is what? February 26th. Price has been coming down. New Zealand USD, the dollar has been stronger than the New Zealand, and because of that, price has been coming down. Yes. So that is it. Each of the candle represents a time frame, uh, 1 month, because I'm in a monthly time frame. If you click on the week too, this is how it is also displaying in the week. This one too, each of the candle is 1 week. This candle, it took 1 week to close, to open and close. This one too is still in action. It hasn't closed yet. So this one, all these candles, each of them is taking is giving us a difference of like 1 week to close. The daily candles to this one to each of the candles, each of them is telling us or is giving us a day, just 1 day. When the day closes from the start to close, when the day closes, that is what is happening. So with this, whenever you are analyzing the market from the technical view, you have to know what is happening from the higher time frame. The higher means from the month, weekday, 4 hours. Maybe you jump to 2 hours. So within 2 hours, this is what is happening. Good. I can just highlight this place so that you see when I go further what will happen. Okay, so when I switch 1 hour to look at the candle, you see that it's been expanded. Many of the candles are being added. So if I go 30 minutes, now this 1 hour will split to two. This one too will split to two. All the candles there will split to two. Yes, you understand? Okay, so 15 minutes. That is how it's like. So the issue with the candles here, like these candles are representing price. The candles are representing price. Okay, so let me take this opportunity as well and introduce you to the candles. Whenever you pick a particular candle, I'll bring a particular video on the candlesticks. Yeah, I'll just make sure I make a detailed analysis on it. So let's stick to the time frame. So here to the 5 minutes. Once I click to the 5 minutes, this is how I'm seeing the chart. So time frame is very, very important from the perspective of linking what is happening in the future to the present. Once you know, sometimes certain decisions are temporal. It's happening in 1 minute, so you can go to the 1 minute, then you take the decision there. Sometimes too, it's from the higher time frame perspective, but mostly whatever decision you are taking, you just have to make sure. You just have to make sure, really make sure that you are respecting the higher time frames. You are respecting or the intermediate time frames. So mostly me, I use the daily time frame. Sometimes start from the week, day, 4 hours, 2 hours, 15 minutes. With time, once we go on with the analysis, you are going to see it better. And as I said, what I'm doing, that is what you are also going to do. But as you continue to learn, maybe you may explore different time frames, like using the 1 minute, the 5 minutes, or sticking to the only the higher time frame. Okay, that is good for this particular video. So if you have any comment, please let us know. If you have any problem, let us know in the comment section. And also, if you've understood this or you are benefiting from this particular video, kindly share to others so that they can also learn. We are all in this together.